I have to go against drugs, I have to go against criminality, and I have to go against corruption. And I gave myself a timeline. I'm only asking from you 30, 3 to 6 months. Maximum is 6 months. I will erase corruption in government. Sigurado yan. I will suppress crime and the drug people will suffer. Prison, maybe, suffer. Kaya ngayon, kayong mga ugok, mag-isip-isip na kayo.